Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to copy and paste multiple images. Okay. First, I will open this image. Hold Control. Select the multiple image. Open. Simply click and drag. Click and drag. Resize. Hold Control or hold Shift. Okay. Simply then copy and paste for many way. First of all, select multiple image. Hold Control and select multiple image or select the all image. Hold Shift, dragging last image or automatically select all image. Then Control Z for duplicate or Control Z for back. Hold Alt, select and drag it or copy image. Okay. Select the first, hold Shift, the last. Okay. Create a new file. Another to move, simply click and drag it. Now see this, copy multiple image. Hold Control, resize multiple image. Okay. Hold Shift or not hold Shift for custom size. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like